Hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about formulating a research question. First, if we turn to the IB Extended Essay Guidebook, it states, through the research process for the extended essay, students develop skills in a number of areas including formulating an appropriate research question, engaging in a personal exploration, communicating ideas, and developing an argument. Today we're going to be focused on formulating an appropriate research question. But why do we need to formulate a research question? Because all good academic research starts with a research question, although the research question does not always show up in the final paper. After you answer the research question, the answer is your extended essay's thesis. Let's review what we did last week. Last week we chose a topic, assessment methods. And then we narrowed it down. Assessment methods in 21st century language and literature teaching. We focused on adding time and teaching area to make it more specific. Now, let's make a list of questions. Hey, wake up! We need to ask some questions. How and why questions are best. If we take the approach of time, we could ask, how have assessment methods changed over the last century? If we take the approach of cause, we could ask, what motivated the key changes in assessment methods in the 21st century Lang and Lit classroom? If we take the approach of effect, we could ask, how have recent changes in assessment methods affected students of Lang and Lit? Or the approach of place. How are Lang and Lit assessment methods in Norway different from Taiwan? Choose a question and break it down. For our use, we will use how have recent changes in assessment methods affected students of Lang and Lit? Now we're going to add a little more to that by looking at people, perspective, place, and problem. What students? Who judges? Where? And what are the issues? We're going to select from each one of these one particular thing. For people, high school students. For perspective, the perspective of parents. Place, in Taiwan. And the problem, writing skills. So now we have a research question. How do parents feel recent changes in the assessment methods have affected the writing skills of Taiwanese high school students? And the answer to that question is your extended essay's thesis. Now you just have to write the essay. Sorry. The IB Essay Guidebook provides a list of good examples, and here's one. An analysis of costume as a source for understanding the inner life of a character. Now let's work backwards. If we start with that title, we can actually work backwards to our research question. And that's it. We are done.